How to change the IP address on a laptop. Follow these steps. Wi-Fi. Manage Wi-Fi connections. More Wi-Fi settings. Hardware properties. IP address. This is the IP address assigned to the laptop. I will change it. More adapter options. Edit. Wi-Fi properties. Internet Protocol version 4. Properties. TCP IP version 4. Use the following IP address. IP address. Set the IP address you want. Subnet Mask. Gateway. Usually your router's IP address. DNS. DNS1. Google DNS. DNS2. OK. Apply changes. Close. Back to check results. Wi-Fi. Hardware properties. IP address. IP address changed. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Manually set IP address.